Yeah, we'll do a quick review for this Keurig K-Express Coffee Maker. I just got it in, and so always when I first get it in, I fill up the water and just run a few cups of water through it, just to get a new the plastic smell out of it. But I'll go over it while doing a rinse. You got three different cup sizes. You got a 6, 8, or 10 ounce cups. You also have a button in case you want to do an iced coffee. And you also have two lights on the bottom. When it's low on water, the light will come in for add water. It also has one for descale, so let you know when you need to clean it. But it has a water reservoir on it that hold 36 ounces of water, so you don't have to worry about filling it up each time. You just put the K cup right in here and close it down, and then you'll select which button you want. I usually go with the bigger one, the 10 ounce. It's a really good coffee maker. Highly recommend it.